Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant. Welcome back to the channel, where tonight I'm going to be conducting another screen uniformity and a burn-in test on my 65-inch LG C10 OLED. Now, I don't believe there's going to be much change this month. Reason being that I've only put on approximately an extra 100 hours of usage on the TV, taking it up from last month's 1,000 hours to approximately 1,100 in total. Now, for anyone who doesn't follow the channel, I do these tests once every month just to see how the panel progresses over time, to see if there is any burn-in that occurs, because I know that is a big worry for a lot of potential customers out there. Now, as usual, we will start off with a 5% grayscale and then move on to a colour sweep. So, without further ado, let's crack on. So 5% grayscale is all loaded up, and just quickly, if you liked the demo footage I was showing just a minute ago, that is 4K HDR, and that should be uploaded any day because that is my own footage from Mallorca. So please check that out when that goes live. So anyway, as same as last month, we do still have this dark patch on the left hand side, and also on the right hand side just there. So no real change there, which isn't a surprise. We also have some very light banding. Again, I don't really notice this when watching just regular TV or whilst gaming. So yeah, I can't say there is much change this month from last month, but quite a few of you guys have contacted me in the comment section saying that your C10s also have these patches, the same as mine. So it would seem that, you know, there's just a batch of them that have come out the factory like that. Whether newer ones will change or not, we will see. Be interesting if any of you guys who own the B10 OLEDs also have those same markings. So if you do, leave a comment below. So yeah, like I said, not much change, and what there is there, it's not intruding on my normal viewing. So let's move on to the colour sweep. Now, as always, I'm going to let this colour sweep cycle through once, and then we will stop it on some colours and take a closer look. Starting off with a nice bright white, and we will go in nice and close to look for any signs of burn-in or dead pixels. Now, pay particular attention to the like four corners, because quite often that is where we have those static logos. So moving along the top then, and I can't see anything there. And please, as always, let me know if you do notice anything at all. And that is looking all good. Can't see any dead pixels or signs of burning. Moving on to blue now, and going in close once again. Now, the hours that the TV has been used for, a lot of those have been for gaming. My sons have played a lot of Fortnite recently, and GTA as well. And both of those do have static, like heads-up displays and things like that on the screen. So if the TV was going to be suffering from any burn-in, there's a good chance it would be from that gaming. But, you know, I can't see anything that's obvious. Now, what we would generally see would be like a contrast in that blue. So, you know, it'd be like a patch worn out where that, say, heads-up display would be. And basically, it would be imprinted, and it would permanently be there. But so far, so good. Green's up next. Going close again. And move along the top. And I'm sure anyone who follows the channel will know about the dead pixels I had on my previous B8. But for those of you guys who are new to the channel, when I conducted these tests on my old OLED, we did notice some dead pixels appear, which got worse over time. And I sent images into LG, and they actually came out and replaced the panel. And I recorded the whole thing being replaced, or shall I say the panel, the engineers coming in and swapping that panel out, and I'll put a link to that video in the description. So once again, that looked absolutely mint on that green. As you can see, that looks nice and uniformed. And that is one good thing about OLEDs, as I always say, it's always a nice big slab of colour, no sort of patchiness or anything like that. And finally we have red. Top left again, moving across. Now I do just want to point out that this isn't just to say, prove that, you know, OLEDs are perfect TVs or anything like that. As I explained before, you know, there was an issue with my old OLED. You know, I'm just being open and honest and just documenting my TV, you know, warts and all. If there's a problem, you know, I'm going to show you guys. I'm not trying to defend LG OLEDs in any way, just showing you how it is. And so far, so good. But let's hope it stays that way, because, you know, who wants a TV that's going to break or burn in? Well, that is the test complete. And just quickly before we wrap up this video, I just want to say a really big thanks to every single person who's been sending me well wishes after I posted up the message saying about my mother unfortunately passed away. So yeah, it really does mean a hell of a lot to me. Just, you know, I've read every single one of them, and yeah, I can't thank you guys enough. So thank you so very much for those really kind messages. So anyway, if you have enjoyed this video today, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.